5 yawning facts that will not put you to sleep. Yawning is a natural part of life. We do it frequently throughout the day, and you don't even have to be weary to yawn. While writing this little post, I've already yawned twice. Here are a few yawning facts you probably didn't know, and while you're reading this, count how many times you yawn. The hypothalamus of our brain is supposed to govern the typical yawn, which lasts 6 seconds. A fetus may even yawn 11 weeks after fertilization. Yawning is contagious. If you watch someone yawn, you'll probably feel like yawning as well. Animals are not immune to this. There are several hypotheses as to why humans yawn, but no one knows which one is correct. These explanations include a shortage of oxygen owing to not being extremely active or breathing slower when weary. It's been stated that yawning is similar to stretching in that it's done to make you feel better. Researchers believe that yawning is a means for the brain to calm down. An experiment was conducted with 2 sets of people. One pushed a warm, room temperature towel against their head, while the other pressed a chilly towel against their head. Those who wore heated towels on their heads yawned more frequently than those who wore cold towels.